Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable hide app icons on the taskbar in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Firstly you need to type settings and open settings. Now you need to click on systems. Now click on table. Now click on this option. Now you need to click this enable this option hide app icons on the taskbar. Enable it. So this way we can how to enable hide app icons on the taskbar window 10 in window 10 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.